Hello, this is Charles Musasizi, Beraka Accountants, bringing unto you tutorials of Tally accounting system. Our first tutorial today is about how to create a company file in Tally. Okay, so you open the Tally software. So you see, I already have a Tally, a company file created, but I want to create a new one. If I did have one, Tally would directly take me to the account info window where I can create from a company file. But now I have a company file. So what do? I press Alt and F1. Alt F1. So they have given me a menu where I can create a new company from. This is the menu. You can see company info. So I scroll using the scroll keys or the navigation keys. I go to create company. So I put in the name of the company. For example, I can say build general hardware. I press enter to go to the next field. So I got the address. I can say it's in Kampala. So I go to the next field. So they want me to put statutory compliance. So you choose the country of your compliance. You see here they give us only a few of them. Uganda is not part of them. However, in Uganda, our tax laws are similar to UK laws. So you can choose UK as your statutory compliance. However, you can also choose none. You can also choose none. It is here. But for Uganda, it's better to use UK. You put the email address. I'll say it is build@gmail.com. I press enter. They want me to put the currency symbol. You just put UGX. Maintain accounts with inventory. Here you choose that option, maintain accounts with inventory, because the company file we are creating, it's a business that holds inventory. Put your financial year. You can choose to put 1st January. Most companies prefer that. Or you can put, in Uganda, you can choose to put 1st of July because that's the government financial year. So I'll put 1st of July 2026. Then books beginning from, you can choose to put your financial year as the date for books beginning from. Or you can put a date if you have that date. The next field asks us to put a password. You can put a password if you want to protect your company file to make it password protected. However, you can ignore it. It's optional. You can always change it anytime. I go down. Formal name for my currency, I'll choose Ugandan shilling. Ugandan shilling. Number of decimal places, I can maintain 2. Is symbol suffixed to amounts? I can say no. I press enter to continue. Show amounts in millions. I put yes. So just put Y to mean yes. Then press continue. Put space between amounts and symbol. Yes. I continue pressing enter. I press enter. The system asks me accept. Once I press enter, so my company file is being created. So just give it a time as the company file is in the process of creating. Okay, the company file has been created. Now you can see the company name is Build General Hardware, and you can see here the Tally or the gateway of Tally. In Tally, what you would call the home page is called Gateway of Tally. And you see the menu there on the Gateway of Tally. Thank you so much. Let's catch up on the next session, which shall be how to create ledgers or chart of accounts in Tally.